people. Saturday morning, nothing doing today, so I thought I'd come down the shed, have a little bit of practice and change up a little bit. I'm sick of spinners, stuff like that, so I thought I'd have a go at this. This is from Celtic Cattys. It's a little I don't know, like a little felt, I think it's like material felt, little pigeon target, and they do make a smack. I love them. Yeah, it's just a bit of fun. It's quite a big target, so always try and hit the head, so it'll spin that way if you hit the head, or if you hit the smaller bit, it'll spin the opposite. Yeah, and I just love the noise it makes. It's a good little target. These are cheap. Well, for the price, they're reasonable and they're bomb proof. I've had mine for months now, and I've been hitting it with 9.5 and 8mm, and keeps going. Like I say, it's good quality, well made, like a felt material, and they make a lovely smack when you hit them. And for that, I've been using the tadpole, which is a Mark Johnson design. He's the designer of the tadpole, but this one is made by Celtic Cattys because it's HDPE, and it's just a cheaper version, but it's Mark Johnson design. Check his he makes some stunning frames. He's on Facebook. Yeah, so he designed this. It's lovely to hold. And I just ordered some bits a few months ago from Celtic Cattys, and I thought I'd give it a go. It's only like 17 quid. It's a cheap little frame. I think it's 12mm HDPE, so it's 12mm thick, 90mm, and I think they're like 25 or 28mm tips, 90mm outer. So that's what I shoot at 90. That's why I got it, and it fits nice. And like I say, I don't use it much. I've had it for months. It's got the still got the 5.5 BSB I put on, and the little I thought I'd give these a go. A little bow tie. I think they're called bow tie from Celtic Cattys. Little pouches. I don't know if he still does them or not. But yeah, not nice. All work well together, to be honest. I'm not a really major wrap and tuck fan. I've got big, clumsy fingers, so it's just awkward for me doing a wrap and tuck. So I am a clip man. So if a band splits, 2 minutes job, clip on, clip off, done. But yeah, it's a good little frame. It's again bomb proof, solid. Little one you could put in your pocket, mooching bag, van, car, whatever, take with you. And I shoot it quite well, to be honest. It shoots very well. Came with this little lanyard thing and little toggle, and a nice little frame. Holds well, and shoots well, and very solid. So yeah, check it out on Celtic Cattys. Have a look. If there's two things you want to buy, it would be these. Good combination for a bit of fun, just to add to your kit. I mean, we all got, I was just looking now on my wall. I've got a few different frames, and it's nice just to mix it up. So I'll have a go at. I've been practicing at 10 and 20 meters, so I'll get a video of that and see how I do, and then I'll edit it in, and then I'll come back to you. tadpole, 20 metres. Let's see how we go. Yeah, lucky shot, I suppose. See if we can do it again. Another lucky shot. Right, if I hit it third time, it means it's no luck. No, it was all luck. Never mind. Give it one more go. Yeah, not bad. Right, so I had a few shots. Not too bad. If you can see, hopefully you can pick the noise up alright. The smack these make. Yeah, good bit of fun. So I'm going to continue, to be honest with you. Later after this, and have a few more shots because I'm enjoying it. The boy's been having a go. He's alright. He likes them as well. So it's just something different. Just breaks it up a bit. And I've got a new tripod. That's about, I think it's 82 inches fully extended. So it's quite, you know, it's way over 6 foot. So that's going to be a lot more better for recording now. And I'm going to try and start getting out mooching and do a few more videos like that. And yeah, a bit of change of scenery. I think that'll do me good. But like I say, with work and stuff, it's just family life. It's just awkward at the minute. I've got so much going on, but I want to try and get out and do a bit. And obviously I want to meet up with my mate Russ as well in the next couple of weeks. We're going to go on a mooch and I hopefully film that. So he's a teammate as well, so that'd be good. Get a good bit of footage of that. He's a very good shot as well, Russ. So no doubt he'll pull a few trick shots off for us. And yeah, I'll stick it on video. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. Yeah, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.